In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make 2 quick DIY bead spinners. For the first one, you'll need a small plastic cup, a wooden dowel, an awl or something to poke a hole in your cup. Take the awl and poke a hole in the middle of the cup. Continue working at it until the hole is big enough for your dowel to go through. Insert the dowel into the hole. Leave 1/4 inch of the dowel on the bottom. The dowel fits snugly in the cup, but you can put some hot glue around it if needed. Put some beads in the bowl, spin the dowel, and the beads will jump onto the wire. I do not recommend using this bead spinner as a main spinner. If you have a project that requires shading with different colors, then it will work well if you need a small amount of a secondary color. For the next bead spinner, you'll need a fidget spinner, a small plastic cup, a hot glue gun, double-sided tape, or you can use more hot glue, and a baking pan. Put some hot glue onto the middle of the fidget spinner. Press the cup onto the glue and hold firmly. You can also hot glue the other side of the fidget spinner onto the pan, but I'm using some 3M double-sided tape instead. This keeps the spinner in place and not move all over as it spins. The pan also catches any beads that flies out. This works beautifully. And you can dump the beads onto another cup when you're done. On another thought, why even dump the beads onto the cup? Just put another cup on top and you can use it as is and switch out the colors with different cups. If you are a beginner and need more in-depth instruction on how to use a bead spinner, check out the Fundamentals of French Beaded Flowers video. If you are new to French beading, my first book, Bead Flora, The Revival of French Beaded Flowers, is a great place to start. I'll put all the links in the description. Happy beading!